everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. Great car, guys. It's actually, it is a true RM Roadrunner car. Car's been completely restored. It's had a, I think they said, and there's a disc that goes with this car with all the restoration photos. The car was restored in the late 2000s, so it's a little bit of an older resto, but very well maintained. Same owner for the last 22 years. All matching numbers, engine and trans. It has been beefed up a little bit. A gentleman said they actually just upgraded the suspension as well. We have a copy of the original South Carolina title when the car was brand new. Nice car. There's a couple of things I didn't care for on the car. The inserts they did in the cloth. You know, it's hot down there in the South, and they didn't want it in the vinyl. But man, it's such a good car that I wasn't going to pass on it for that. Factory T7 bronze metallic. You can see it's got the blacked out hood, performance hood striping, black vinyl top. Good looking set of Magnum 500s with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Nice car, really nice car. It's got 1,600 miles on the restoration. You can see this is the original trim on it. The paint and stuff is very nice. Factory fender mount, turn signals. I believe these bumpers are original. They show a little wear, but still nice. I just think this is a good car, nice and tight. I've driven it a couple of times, guys. It goes down the road and doesn't miss a beat. I mean, it doesn't shimmy, shake, it doesn't rattle. I mean, very well-maintained car. Factory dash. I don't think that's ever been out of the car, too. Vinyl top's in great shape. A little wrinkle there. Glass is nice. You can see the body seams are nice and clean. Pretty paint. Whoever painted it did a nice job. It's got good paint on it. It pops, that's for sure. You can see it's got the original bezels on it. Again, you can see some little wear in the bumpers there. It's got a good sound to it, runs out good, nice and tight. You can see it's nice and flat down the sides. I believe the car's got the original quarter panels on it. It's nice and clean underneath. Floors are original. Good looking set of BFGs with the 15-inch Magnums. Good solid body, I'll tell you that right now. This thing's clean. They've converted it to front disc brakes. It's got big front sway bar on it. Matching numbers, engine and trans. Now they've upgraded it. It's got a Edelbrock 4-barrel on it, Edelbrock aluminum. It's got the complete Edelbrock kit in it. Edelbrock Performer aluminum heads. It's got the Edelbrock camshaft in it. Power steering, upgraded it to power front disc brakes. It does have the little vacuum canister on it too, so it's got full vacuum. They've upgraded it to electronic ignition. Tach isn't working, and I'm actually wondering if it's not because of that. Ceramic headers, aluminum radiator. It's got electric fan on it. Does have the matching number 727 Torqueflite transmission, automatic transmission in it. I think it's a 3200 stall converter on it. You can see factory T7 bronze car. Nice car. I really think a lot of car for the money. We're gonna have this thing priced under 40 grand. It's tough to find a clean B body that really is kind of turnkey for that kind of money, guys. You see a couple little breaks in the speaker cover. Little things like that you can nitpick, you know. A-pillar chrome's pretty doggone nice. Original remote mirror. Oh, man, I think these are the original door handles too. I mean, like I say, it's just a good quality car. You can nitpick. It's got a couple little splits in the door panels, new sill plates. I've ordered new floor mats for that. If you guys watch my videos, you probably hear that 1,000 times. Just takes them a little longer to get here. This is what I really didn't care for, was a cloth insert. Again, you could buy new seat covers if you don't like it. It is, again, it's not split. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just not what I personally like. Factory dash, 1662 on your odometer. That's what's on the restoration. It's got an aftermarket radio. I know it works. The only thing in here not working was the tach. Speedo works. All the gauges work. Dual exhaust. It's a 323 sure grip rear end. Here's all the stuff for the. I've got. Sorry, let me rest in here, guys. Again, you see the card. Look, it's got the still got the original quarters on it. Factory jack with a red line bias belt spare in it. It's all body color in the trunk. The trunk looks original too. Yeah, that's what that stuff is. So this is here's a copy of the original A title. There's this is a build tag or something they found in the glass, and then there's like I say, there's a disc of the restoration that goes with it. Nice car. Like I say, just a good sound Mopar. Drives out really good. Very impressed with the way it drove. Rear sway bar. He said they just upgraded that suspension, so. Nice and flat down the sides. Doors are clean. Like I say, there's a few little things you could upgrade if you wanted, but nothing keeping you from literally turning the key and taking it right to the car show. Again, mats are on the way. They're just the Roadrunner mats. See, the little in-dash light works. It's a good car. Good, Jordan, you fired up. Dual chrome mirrors. Got the Mopar Performance valve covers. Again, aluminum heads. Good running power. Hits its R's nice and quick. Good sounding Mopar, man. I like the upgrades with the disc brakes. Good car. Good car. Fender mount turn signals work. So like I say, the only thing on this car that was not working is the tach. And like I say, they've upgraded it so to electronic ignition. That might be why. Reverse lights work. Tell you what, man, that 33 hits a lick, man. That thing sounds good. Blower motor works. A lower rate. No, it's just. Oh yeah, blower motor does work. I turn it on. That radio does work. If you, I don't know, on the top button. Yeah, give it a second. It does come on. I turned it on. Maybe you got to hold it. There it is. Like I say, radio does work. Fit and finish is nice. Cool option, I like those. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way you can get a notification every time I post one of these videos. There's a little button at the bottom you should be able to click on, and that'll subscribe to our page. That's a good looking car, man.